Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show off a couple of mods I did for my cars. This fire truck, for example, the Big Chief as I call it, it's got armor on it, a machine gun, monster wheels, and cut and swab exhaust pipes. The Pacifica, on the other hand, the orange Chrysler van, it has barbed wire armor. It still has armor just like the Big Chief, but it also has a step bar, that thing right there, fashioned from a a modified cotton swab. Same for the bumper here. But yeah, there you go. The Big Chief and Pacifica both have wooden armor. But the front of the shield right here is actually a cut up index card. But anyways, so the final vehicle I'm going to show off in this video will be this semi-truck I've showed off in several of my previous videos. But this time I turned it into somewhat of an RV. I got a shed. I made a shed out of cardboard and surrounded it by cardboard walls. And the bottom is made out of cardboard too. Made some cardboard little supports right there. You can see that right there. Yep, there you go. So some ads I put on the side are Free the Universe, which is a music album made by Major Lazer. Major Lazer is a band, and the members of that band are Diplo, Wall Shoe Fire, and Jillionaire. But Major Lazer recently got a new member. His name's Ape Drums. But yeah, there you go. On the other side, I drew another one of my favorite cartoon characters. Her name is Rosalina. She's actually a video game character. I just like drawing her. But yeah, there you go. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay cool. See you next time. But before I go, have you noticed that? Look at them toothpicks. Look at all them toothpicks. Top of the walls. I could have put barbed wire on top instead of toothpicks, but I got inspiration from the Gaslands website, so there you go. But speaking of Gaslands, this weekend, in a day or two, I will be going to my mom's house to play Gaslands, or I'll be playing Gaslands with my family in my mom's house. But yeah, there you go. See ya. Peace.